Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Amazon Lightsail static IP for reliability step by step clearly. First, log in to your Amazon Lightsail account. Once logged in, navigate to the Lightsail homepage. Select the Networking tab from the top menu. Look for the option labeled Static IPs in the left-hand menu. Click on the Create Static IP button. You will see a drop-down menu to select your instance. Choose the instance you want to associate with the static IP. Enter a name for your static IP for easy identification. Review the details to ensure everything is correct. Click the Create Static IP button to proceed. Once created, you will see the new static IP listed on the page. Take note of the static IP address assigned to your instance. Now, navigate to your instance's management page. Update your application's configuration to use the new static IP address. If applicable, adjust any DNS settings to point to your static IP. To verify, access your application using the static IP in a web browser. Ensure everything is functioning correctly without interruptions. Congratulations, your Amazon Lightsail static IP is now successfully enabled for reliability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.